In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix you cannot perform this action with a locked pin, unlock your pin in accounts in Roblox. So in case you're getting that error, here's how to fix it. You want to go to roblox.com first, so on the home screen, and then you want to go to settings, which are located here up top, right, where you can see this gear icon. You want to click on this gear icon and press settings. In here, there's two things you can do, okay? The first one is to go down here with their parental controls, and as you can see, it says parent pin is enabled. What you can do over here is simply, up here, there's this lock button, okay? And if the pin is enabled, you will see this lock button. So simply click it, put in your pin, and click unlock. And as you can see, it will unlock it for 5 minutes, and it's counting down over here. Now, if you're still getting this issue, what you can do is also click over here where it says parent pin is enabled. You want to click this to disable it, and then you'll have to put in your password and then click verify. And as you can see, just like that, your pin has been disabled, and you should now be able to perform whatever task you were trying to do. And only one more thing I wanted to say, that I've also read online that it's a bit different for some MacBook users. So if you are a MacBook user, what you have to do is unblock all the people you have blocked before. So if in case you've blocked anyone inside Roblox, you want to unblock those people, and then you'll have to put in your pin and you are set, and it should work for you perfectly. Okay, so that's pretty much it. As I said, simply turn the pin off in settings, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.